Today, I'm excited to announce that one of our most storied franchises will be coming to PSVR 2 at launch. Gran Turismo, a game which has sold more copies across the series than any other title developed by PlayStation Studios. GT7 launched last year to critical acclaim, and through a free upgrade, PSVR 2 players will be able to experience the game like never before. PSVR 2 launches globally on February 22nd, and you can pre-order now on PlayStation.com. And that's just the beginning. I'm happy to announce that one of the VR games that defines the medium is in development for PSVR 2, Beat Saber. The award-winning and best-selling VR rhythm game is coming to PlayStation VR 2, and we'll have more information to share in the near future. Today, I'm thrilled to announce our next step in the journey to make gaming more accessible, Project Leonardo, our codename for a new PS5 accessibility controller kit that will allow players with disabilities to play more easily, more comfortably, and for longer periods. Project Leonardo is highly customizable, thank you, and works out of the box, providing a robust kit of swappable components and a suite of software options on PS5. It's a true canvas that enables many gamers with disabilities to craft their own play experience. It can be used as a standalone controller, or paired with a second Project Leonardo controller or a DualSense wireless controller. We'd like to thank wonderful organizations like Able Gamers, Special Effect, StackUp, and several other accessibility experts who are supporting us on this journey. And we can't wait to share more details soon.
Sports is the ultimate live experience. In sports, virtual fan engagement is driving the creation of global online fan community. Hawkeye, a Sony Group company, provides new and exciting angles to view live competitions that will revolutionize how we watch and officiate sports. This data can also be used to recreate the gameplay in a virtual stadium. Spatial reality display delivers an immersive 3D optical experience and expands the potential of the real and virtual worlds by providing an experience that feels physical. For creators to have a more dynamic virtual presence with ease, our sensor-based motion capture system can be used. Mocopy enables creators to express themselves with a high degree of freedom.
That our vision of mobility will write a new chapter in the history of how people move. Allow me to present you our new brand, Afeela. This is a prototype under our new brand, Afeela. And at the heart of this mobility experience is the word of feel. Afeela represents our concept of an interactive relationship where people feel the sensation of intelligent mobility and where mobility can detect and understand people and society by utilizing sensing and AI technologies. On the exterior, media bar allows the vehicle to interact with the people, expressing itself by sharing various types of information to people around it. Together with our partners and creative communities, we plan on exploring the possibility of how Medieval can create a fun and exciting mobility interaction. As safety and security are essential to mobility, We will integrate Sony's sensors and handle safety along with other intelligent technologies. This prototype is equipped with a total of 45 cameras and sensors inside and outside the vehicle. In-car cameras and time-of-flight sensors detect the driver's status along with the vehicle condition to prevent accidents. Combining these sensing technologies with maximum 800 TOPS high-performance SoCs, we aim to achieve industry-leading automated drive and advanced driver assistance systems. We envision a new in-cabin experience using our expertise of UX and UI technologies. We will work closely with Qualcomm Technologies. We will utilize their latest SoCs from Snapdragon digital chassis to realize next-generation mobility experience.
At Epic, we're really passionate about cars and the automotive industry. And we couldn't be happier to see Sony and Sony Honda Mobility enter this innovative world of interactive automotive technology. We're working closely with them to help deliver connected automotive experiences that lead the way not only in visual communications and safety, but also in entertainment. Modern vehicle technology has loads of potential to enhance the driving and passenger experience with sensors, active safety systems, and beyond. And the most natural way to visualize such data is through intuitive, interactive photoreal augmentation, the very stuff our game engine was made to do. As mobility is changing, so are the expectations around user experience. A programmable, highly capable solution like Unreal Engine enables these experiences not only to be cutting edge, but also to evolve over time. In the future, the automobile will become a next-generation destination for social connectivity, not only for the occupants, but also their network of friends and colleagues. It will become a continuum of our digital lives. Given Sony's experience and expertise in entertaining and delighting people across the planet, we know they'll come up with some incredible ways to capture the imagination. And Sony Honda Mobility is uniquely positioned to lead the creation of these incredible new experiences. Together with Sony and Sony Honda Mobility, we will look forward to bringing forward new exciting updates on this revolutionary new space. Thank you very much.
The new RTX 4080 SuperPods will deliver an amazing 64 teraflops of graphics goodness to each gamer. That is 5 times the performance of an Xbox Series X, and will include full ray tracing and DLSS 3. For competitive gamers, we're also bringing Nvidia Reflex to GFN. The RTX 4080 SuperPods can render and stream at 240 frames per second. When combined with our Reflex technology, it achieves click-to-pixel latency below 40 milliseconds, a first in cloud gaming. That is about half the latency most console gamers see. The RTX 4080 will be available in our new Ultimate membership, which is replacing our highest tier, the RTX 3080 membership. Only Ultimate members will have exclusive access to our highest performance GPUs and can stream at up to 4K and 240 frames per second. RTX 4080 availability will start in select data centers in late January with added coverage across North America and Western Europe throughout Q1. All RTX 3080 members will receive the Ultimate upgrade and be among the first to become Ultimate members. And more exciting, the price to existing 3080 members will remain the same, just $19.99 a month. Today, I am excited to announce our next GPU in the family, the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. The RTX 4070 Ti delivers up to 3 times the performance of our previous flagship GPU, the 3090 Ti. It will max out your 1440p gaming monitor, delivering over 120 frames per second on modern games like A Plague Tale Requiem, Warhammer 40k Darktide, F1 2022, and Spider-Man Miles Morales. With the power of DLSS 3, the 4070 Ti delivers 1.8x performance across a range of titles, while consuming almost half the power. The RTX 4070 Ti is packed with 40 teraflops of Ada shader cores, 93 teraflops of 3rd generation RT cores, and 641 teraflops of 4th generation Tensor cores. It features dual AV1 encoders to double the performance of video export. The RTX 4070 Ti will be available on January 5th with a starting price of $799. The need for performance and portability has fueled RTX laptop growth well beyond the overall PC market. And now over 1/3 of GeForce users are creating. And there's more to come, with 60% of the GeForce laptop installed base not yet upgraded to RTX. Power and thermal constraints are the ultimate challenges in delivering high performance in thin, highly portable laptops. With the Ada architecture, we set out to transform laptops through process, design, and technology. The result is a massive 2/3 reduction in power at the same performance. Put another way, Ada beats our current flagship GPUs with 1/3 the power. Today we are announcing the GeForce RTX 40 series laptops. They are 3 times more power efficient and bring the Ada architecture, DLSS 3, and new Max-Q technologies to the next generation of laptops. Across gaming and creating, RTX 40 series laptops deliver up to 4 times the performance in the most demanding apps. For years, we've worked with system OEMs and CPU manufacturers to look beyond the GPU to a full system design approach to performance and portability. We call it Max-Q. We optimize every aspect of the laptop: the GPU, CPU, memory, thermal, software, display, and more, to deliver powerful devices that are thin and quiet with great battery life. Today, we are introducing the new RTX 4070, 4060, and 4050 laptops. Faster than our last generation flagship laptops at 1/3 the GPU power, delivering 80 frames per second 1440p Ultra Gaming, and transforms creating, like rendering scenes in Blender that used to take 2.5 hours to just 10 minutes on RTX. 40 series laptops start at just $999 and will be available on February 22nd. The Ada architecture has also enabled a new class of enthusiast laptops. I'm excited to introduce today the new RTX 4090 and 4080 flagship laptops. They start at $1999 and will be available on February 8th.
NVIDIA Studio is our platform for this new breed of content creators, supercharging workflows with RTX GPUs. Over 110 RTX accelerated apps, dozens of SDKs and studio drivers to deliver continual performance updates. The heartbeat of the Studio platform is found in NVIDIA Omniverse, where creators can connect those accelerated apps and collaborate in real time. 3D creators use many specialized design and content creation tools to complete projects. Those tools don't easily interact with one another, making it hard for artists to iterate quickly or bring their projects and assets from tool to tool. NVIDIA Omniverse is a collaboration platform enabling artists to connect their favorite tools from Adobe, Autodesk, Unreal Engine, Side Effects, and more. Creators see the aggregated scene instantly come together without lengthy import and export cycles. Changes happen in real time across the connected apps, whether a single artist working in multiple apps simultaneously or a team contributing their individual elements from around the globe. NVIDIA Broadcast enhances your mic and webcam. With the latest update, we are adding eye contact to the feature list. Come take a closer look. Eye contact will change the position of the speaker's eyes to appear as if you're looking at the camera, allowing for better audience engagement. In this case, allowing me to read the script from a screen next to the camera while I still engage with you. The new NVIDIA Broadcast update will be available to all RTX users later this month. Watching video is one of the most popular activities on PCs today. 90% of online videos run at 1080p or lower, while nearly half of RTX users have higher resolution monitors. This mismatch can leave a blurry or soft visual experience. Today, we're announcing RTX Video Super Resolution, using AI to improve the quality of internet video streaming in 2 ways. First, by removing blocky compression artifacts, and second, by upscaling video resolution. This AI-accelerated combination improves video sharpness and clarity on high-resolution displays. RTX Video Super Resolution will enhance video streamed in Chrome and Edge browsers starting this February on RTX 30 and 40 series GPUs.
Developing self-driving cars is one of the most complex AI challenges of our time. It requires two computers, an AI factory in the data center that is used for software development and testing, and there's an AI computer in the car. The bigger computer is the AI data factory in the cloud. OEMs need to process massive amounts of data collected from their fleet and then curate, label, and train their AI self-driving software models. Using Nvidia's DriveSim, you can then test and validate this self-driving software in the digital twin of these cars on millions of scenarios every day. All this software runs on Nvidia DGX and OVX servers in the cloud. Now in the vehicle computer, Nvidia Drive provides a suite of full-stack self-driving and cockpit application software. This includes the operating system, middleware, parking, self-driving, and various in-vehicle cockpit applications. Nvidia is unique in that we're the only company helping the industry end-to-end, from the complete AI data factory in the cloud to the full software stack running in the car. The traditional vehicle architecture is very distributed, with nearly 100 different computers in a car. There are computers for your power seats and windows, your cockpit displays, driver monitoring system, as well as your parking and self-driving applications. The NVIDIA Drive platform is designed to simplify and centralize the architecture for software-defined vehicles, enabling a leap in performance and capability while reducing energy consumption and cost. We recently announced our Drive Thor SoC. It's the first advanced robotic central computer that NVIDIA has built with the safety and security required to allow multiple vehicle applications to run in parallel. With Thor, OEMs can redesign their vehicles to have an architecturally compatible high-performance computer and sensor suite across their entire fleet. It's clear that as next generation of cars become autonomous and electric, the interior is transformed into a mobile living space complete with the same entertainment available at home. We already talked about GeForce Now and how NVIDIA's revolutionary streaming service is transforming how you can play games. Today we're announcing that GFN is coming to the screens in your car. Powered by gaming supercomputers in the cloud, GeForce Now connects to the world's biggest digital game stores, so users can stream across any device, including internet-enabled cars. No special equipment required. Stream and play the biggest games while you charge, wait to pick up a family member, or entertain kids in the backseat. With over 1,500 games ready to play, passengers can enjoy top game titles with millions of other PC gamers online. By combining NVIDIA's heritage in gaming and infotainment, we're reimagining an in-vehicle experience for passengers to relax and have fun. Today, I'm excited to announce that several Drive partners are integrating GeForce Now. BYD, Hyundai Motor Group, and Polestar are all working with NVIDIA to enable the vast catalog of game titles to be enjoyed in their cars.
We have been working on a robotics platform named NVIDIA Isaac for over 5 years, building on top of NVIDIA AI and NVIDIA Omniverse. Simulation is playing an important role throughout the life cycle of a robotics project. Our partners are using Isaac Sim to create a digital twin. Isaac Sim is quickly becoming the must-have robotics development tool for all the benefits we talked about. Many leading robotics companies are leveraging Isaac Sim and deploying physical robots that were developed and tested virtually first. We are announcing the next release of Isaac Sim. The new features include improved camera and LiDAR support to more accurately model real-world performance.
A screen, a device, no hidden connections in between. LG's first OLED TV with wireless transmission. You know, we're so proud to introduce to you this 97-inch OLED TV. It's the world's first consumer TV to offer 4K, 120 Hz video and audio transmitted wirelessly through the Zero Connect box. This box houses all the circuitry so it can send the audio and picture signals right to the television. Give it a shot. All you have to do is take your USB thumb drive, stick it into the back, and you can see there are no cables at all. and it's seamless. We simply go into the menu system, and then we'll have a look at your artwork that you've been working on.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. I don't think I've ever seen my art on a screen like this.
That is an incredible television. But in terms of the future of our lifestyle screens, this year's CES award winner, OLED TV, with its transparent screen, is direction where we're going. It will give you new viewing experiences, such as a virtual aquarium, a soothing, calm rainstorm, or anything an artist like yourself can imagine. And when it comes time, you can slide up the screen and take full advantage of an OLED experience. And while this standout screen is sure to continue to help bolster our reputation, and as we all know, OLED Flex has the capabilities and the street credentials when it comes for peak performance in gaming. At 42 inches, it's perfect for the desktop with its 40-watt surround sound Dolby speakers. Plus, you can resize that screen from 42 to 32 to 27 inches. And starting this year, LG TVs will be one of the first to support Nvidia GeForce Now at 4K resolution. This powerful combination of GeForce Now and LG OLED TV delivers immersive gaming at its finest.
But again, looking here, is this the new 24 Hz OLED monitor?
It is, and it's blazing fast with the world's first 240 Hz OLED panel, a record-breaking 0.03 milliseconds response time, and an 800R curvature. This groundbreaking monitor is designed for the ultimate immersive gaming.
As a leader in OLED TV, LG continues to invest in OLED technologies for the ultimate performance.
Now, LG OLED's Evo, the most advanced OLED TV you can buy, has even gotten better. But thanks to the new AI Alpha 9 processor, Gen 6, and a series of picture algorithm improvements, the result is a viewing experience so immersive, it'll feel like you've been transported into the content that you're watching. Now, another advancement for this year's models is the improved Brightness Booster Max, a feature that will make LG OLED Evo G-Series TVs up to 70% brighter than conventional OLED TVs.
Relaunched in November, LG ThinQ Care is a proactive service that sends you alerts to keep your appliances running optimally. And now, we are introducing a new benefit, an upgradable option that allows products to deliver personalized performance to suit each customer's lifestyle. Created with the concept of evolving with you, LG's ThinQ Up gets smarter every day. Say you just brought home a new pet, a new family member. You can download a pet care cycle for the washing machine that will keep all of your clothes fur-free and fresh-smelling. If you're a late-night snacker but can't stand the bright refrigerator light, simply adjust the brightness level using the LG ThinQ app. And starting in 2023, LG ThinQ's Up will be available in overseas markets, starting right here in the United States. As we are in an era of individual expression, home appliances should also be tailored to people's unique preferences. Meet the paramount of personalized style and innovation, LG's refrigerator with Mood Up. Mood Up offers a new real-time transition, providing the design, space, and feeling that you want. And as a ThinQ appliance, it also delivers a fun experience, one that is first, unique, new, one that reacts immediately to your mood choice, your music, or even the weather. The four-door French model allows you to mix and match between 190,000 different color combinations. The closet, a space that has not only become more organized, but much more versatile over the last few years. LG Styler Shoecase is a new concept, storage and display for your favorite pair of shoes. Proudly showcase that pair in a controlled environment with customized lighting and a turntable. The second part of this innovation, the LG Styler Shoe Care. It uses that same STEAM technology in our original clothing care system, LG Styler, on your most loved shoes. It is the ultimate solution to sanitize and deodorize your shoes inside and out. We offer a concept that combines an end table with an air purifier. This product is both practical and design-focused. It adds mood lighting and a wireless charger to an air purifier. And then it even allows you to choose and combine your various colors and design. It works anywhere in your house, in your bedroom next to the bed, in the living room next to the couch.
For the past decade, we have been developing and delivering what car companies call head units. What was a simple radio is now an interactive cockpit computer. We will continue to improve and innovate this product into high-performance computer to empower the autonomous driving vehicles of the future. We are the top supplier of telematics, or telecommunications module. Our telematics modules makes life-saving emergency calls and roadside assistance calls. We take safety seriously, and we understand what it means to build, manufacture, and deliver to automotive standard. During the difficult pandemic times, we delivered a beautifully shaped OLED displays in luxury production vehicles. From designing the display that fits seamlessly into the luxurious interior, to inventing new materials to enable vibrant color. The luxury car companies and LG had to overcome many technical issues with innovations. In addition, we developed camera and sensor technology that understands what people are doing in the car. Putting all of this together into a seamless experience, we are building mobility service platform that understands, predicts, and curates what people need in the car. Drivers need to be in control and keep themselves and their loved ones safe from any harm. We, the LG Electronics, make lives good with cars. We will continue to explore new way of doing things in the car, in home, and in workplaces. Through our partnership with car companies and mobility service providers, we will innovate beyond the current technology and invest into the better future for all people. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me.
From there, we had the High Bright Pro display. That means 2 times the peak brightness of our own current QLED TVs. We also add the Full Array Pro local dimming, up to 5 times the local dimming zones of this year's TV. That means up to over 200 zones. That is basically our 2021 mini LED level in this Q7. And later, I'll tell you about what we're going to do with mini LED. But again, we didn't stop there. This has the better version of Game Accelerator 240. This allows up to an unheard of blistering 240 hertz VRR gaming. This is like the best of gaming monitors in a large screen TV. I know it sounds like a pun, but it's really a game changer. True, serious gamers are going to want Q7 with Game Accelerator 240. We are proud to introduce QM8. QM8 is going to be TCL's mini LED flagship. We add a High Bright Ultra display, 2 times the peak brightness of our current award-winning mini LED TVs, twice. But that's not the real story for QM8. The real story for QM8 is zones. We also add Mini LED Ultra. And what is Mini LED Ultra? It is up to over 5 times the local dimming zones of today's award-winning Mini LED, for up to over 2,300 zones. Yes, we're going to go from over 400 zones, skip over 700 or 1,000, to 2,300 zones. We're going to introduce what I'm calling TCL's 3x5 Mini LED. And it's not 3 inches by 5 inches. What is it? It's 3,000 peak nits and 5,000 dimming zones. What does that mean for the consumer? That means the most inky blacks, the brightest whites, and the most spectacular image in any room lighting environment. QM8 will be the ultimate mini LED TV. For 2023, our 98-inch becomes part of QM8 with Mini LED Ultra. So if QM8 as a series is the ultimate Mini LED TV, 98-inch becomes the ultimate home theater.
So we're going to make now true wearable AR glasses a reality, and it's happening right now. And there's a couple of really nice features coming with these glasses. So the first one is it can simultaneously or real-time translate multiple languages. And the second feature, which I also like a lot, is about navigation. So it includes simultaneous localization and mapping. And also, of course, what we have a camera built in. You see that here. So I can take videos, or I can take a picture of all of you. So let's take a smile. Here we go. We are very, very excited that TCL Ray Neo X2 will become available to the developer community in the first quarter this year. I have one more. Even AR is truly inspiring, but we don't stop there, okay? So TCL Next Wear V is developed by TCL CSOT. It's our first virtual reality concept device, providing an incredible, sharp and immersive experience. We have built in super high resolution displays here. So this one is featuring 1512 PPI density screen quality. This gives you a completely new experience in the virtual reality world. It's super sharp. And on top of that, you have two cameras in the front. So you can turn on transparent mode. These two cameras become your eyes. And actually, you can have a mixed reality situation where you see the virtual reality, but also the real world around you. Across the TCL 40 series range, you will find our enhanced Next Vision display technology, long-lasting batteries, and also premium cameras, which use AI-powered software to capture greatness on every occasion. The TCL 40R5G features a smooth 90 Hz 6.6-inch Next Vision display and a 7nm high-performance 5G processor, so customers can enjoy reliable, fast connections on the go. And the powerful 5,000 mAh battery allows you to stay connected for 2 days with just a single charge. The TCL 40 SE is perfect for entertainment. It's featuring dual stereo speakers that boost sound quality, and combined with a huge 6.75-inch Next Vision display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, it's perfect for watching movies or live sports events. Also, it has a massive storage, making it easy to bring your content with you wherever you go. And the TCL 408 is made for photography lovers. It has a 2-in-1 hyper camera, which combines the 50-megapixel main lens with an enhanced macro lens to capture detailed close-ups and idyllic landscapes, which, of course, are great for aspiring influencers out there. Dual stereo speakers and large 6.6-inch screens make it editing, posting a dream. And last but not least, the new TCL Move Audio Air wireless earbuds are the perfect accessory for any of our phones. These stylish headphones harmonize sound and visual at home or on the go, and listeners can enjoy 9 hours of playing time or 32 hours together with the charging case. All the phones, the earbuds, and the tablet is immediately available at very, very affordable price points. All right, so the TCL Next Paper 12 Pro tablet has a bezel-less design and a massive 12.2 2K-inch screen. It's offering 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives you 18% more content compared to a 16:9 screen. And it has this anti-glare screen that imitates the tactile feel of paper. And it's creating this natural, realistic experience when you read, draw, or sketch something on it. I really love the device. It's making it very warm and soft experience. TCL Next Paper 12 Pro is by far our most premium tablet today. And this tablet comes with the latest Android 13 version. of course. And typically such large tablet size products is great for using these in hybrid working environments, which most of us are still practicing today. And I have one more productivity solution with the same screen. This one is the TCL Book X12 Go. This is our first ever two-in-one laptop, which is light and slim and easy to carry with you. The detachable keyboard makes it convenient to use this either as a tablet or as a traditional laptop. And it's powered by the added benefit of Microsoft Windows 11 Home. And what's more, it delivers incredible performance with a powerful Snapdragon 7C octa-core processor.
So I want to talk a little bit about our new soundbar lineup. We're going to have a completely new matching soundbar lineup, and we're going to segment it also into 2 series families. The first one is, you guessed it, S-Series. S-Series is home theater made simple. It's going to have a new sleek design, DTS Virtual X, and it's going to hit every single right price point. And from there, we're going to Q-Series soundbars. That's home theater made better. So it has a more elegant design. It has a full suite of audio enhancements, more wattage, larger subwoofers, built-in tweeters, auto room calibration, and more. And all of those Q-Series models will be at price points under $300.
I'm very excited to announce that we are now bringing 3D V-Cache technology to our Ryzen 7000 processors. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D is 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 5 gigahertz frequency, and 104 megabytes of cache, which more than doubles the cache compared to the Ryzen 7700X non-X3D version. The 7800X3D delivers on average 15% more performance than the 5800X3D across popular games. So for tonight, I'm very happy to announce that we're also bringing 3D V-Cache technology to 12 and 16-core Ryzen 7000 processors. We've been working hard on this. The Ryzen 9 7950X3D is our first 16-core Ryzen processor with V-Cache technology and our fastest 3D stack chip ever. It features 16 high-performance CPU cores, boost speeds up to 5.7 gigahertz, and a huge 144 megabyte cache. In 1080p gaming performance versus the competition, you can see that the 7950X3D is faster across a wide range of games, consistently delivering much higher frames per second, which makes this the ultimate processor for gamers and creators. The new 7800, 7900, and 7950X3D parts will launch in February, and we're also launching new low-power 65-watt Ryzen 7000 processors and an expanded portfolio of entry-level AM5 motherboards that will make Ryzen the best CPU at every price point in the desktop market. So today, I'm very proud to announce the all-new Ryzen 7040 series. First mobile x86 processor to integrate a dedicated on-chip AI engine, which we call Ryzen AI. It features up to 8 Zen 4 cores, our latest RDNA 3 graphics, and our new Ryzen AI engine that runs 4 dedicated AI streams simultaneously. Here is the all-new 7040. The Ryzen 7040 is significantly faster than both our x86 competition as well as Apple. What we're showing here is a time-lapse video of the popular Blender rendering application. On the right is our top-of-stack Ryzen 7040 CPU, with Apple's best in the middle and Intel's highest-end ultra-thin chip on the left. I'm going to let the demo go for just a little bit. Just a little bit. The Ryzen 7040 series will enable more than 30 hours of battery life. The Ryzen 7045HX series is our first mobile CPU based on a chiplet design. It's for gamers and creators who want the highest possible performance in a notebook. Launching our first products in laptops with our new Radeon RX 7000 mobile GPUs. And what we're doing here, the first chip in the series, the RX 7000 series for gaming and creator laptops, is the new Radeon 7600M XT. Our Instinct MI300 is the first chip that brings together a data center CPU, GPU, and memory into a single integrated design. What this allows us to do is share system resources for the memory and I/O, and it results in a significant increase in performance and efficiency, as well as it's much easier to program. I am super proud to show you MI300 for the very, very first time. This is actually the most complex chip we've ever built. It has 9 5-nanometer chiplets that are 3D stacked on top of 4 6-nanometer chiplets with significant HBM surrounding it. And it has more than 146 billion transistors. So medical imaging is another area where AMD technology is dramatically improving patient care. Whether it's CT scans or ultrasounds, our adaptive SoCs and FPGAs are used to create high-resolution scans in real time to diagnose medical conditions as early as possible. And tonight, we are announcing new Vitis medical imaging libraries that will make it even easier for medical device manufacturers to offer high-resolution imaging at 1,000 frames per second or more.
So today, we are introducing the latest SmartThings Hub, SmartThings Station. It is our smallest and most convenient SmartThings Hub yet. It's actually inside our wireless charger, where at a touch of a button, your home instantly becomes intelligent and your life becomes easier. And the SmartThings Station is the first Samsung product to have Matter support built in, right from the beginning. Amazon Video Ring Doorbell and Philips Hue lights will start to work in unison to make your digital home a bit more seamless.
Samsung and Harman have been working to inject a new level of intelligence, personalization, and convenience to the in-cabin experience. We're calling it ICX. With ICX, we are pioneering a new experience that combines the latest automotive technologies, like the car's camera, radar, and other sensors, with Harman's in-cabin expertise, with the expectation to make driving safer and less stressful. Harman ReadyCare can actually anticipate when you start to lose focus, and by integrating products like Galaxy Watch and its heart rate monitor, ReadyCare can also identify and detect factors that cause stress in drivers. When ReadyCare senses your stress increasing and your focus decreasing, it will send reminders that you personalize. You can choose whether ReadyCare should change the interior lighting, the in-cabin temperature, or just the volume on the music to remind you to stay present and get you and your passengers from place to place safely.
Spatial AI can create digital maps of spaces like my home and enrich how we interact with smart connected devices. Whereas today's technology might not understand which TV, which room I'm talking about, tomorrow's spatial AI will understand to turn on the TV closest to me. Go clean under the table where we had dinner. And JetBot with spatial AI will clean up any crumbs from under the table. Relumina mode. Born from our research and incubation efforts, we believe it has the potential to make life more accessible and more enjoyable for so many.
Relumino mode outlines objects in the image more clearly with enhanced contrast ratio, brightness, color, and sharpness. When it all comes together, this is what Relumino mode would look like to someone with low vision.
Philips Hue lights are now able to sync with any content on the latest Samsung smart TVs, bringing surround lighting to your favorite movie, TV show, or even live event. This new experience will work through the Philips Hue Sync TV app, which can be downloaded directly from the App Store on Samsung TVs starting tomorrow.
Our new Knox Matrix is built on Samsung's defense-grade security platform and turns your smart home into a smart shield for your Samsung devices. It's all managed through a private blockchain, so your trusted devices all work together to help protect each other.